Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will tell you some major issues or mistakes that we try not to do in our video to looks bad or low audience attention. So to get our video more engaging and more attracted to our audience, you should take care of these things. First thing is bad quality of sound. If your video's sound is not good, people might not enjoy watching it. This happens when the audio is too quiet, has a lot of background noise, or if it's hard to understand what's being said. To get rid of this problem, you should get a good microphone and learn how to use it well. Use tools to make the audio clearer and remove any unwanted noises. Now the next thing is messy story or structure of your video. When making videos, it's important to have a plan before putting everything together. Imagine it like telling a story to your friends. You start with something exciting or interesting. That's the beginning. Then you explain more about it. That's the middle. And finally, you end by wrapping it up neatly. If your video doesn't follow this structure, it might confuse people or make them lose interest. So, before editing, think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. Make sure your video has a clear beginning, middle, and end. This way, viewers will understand what you're sharing and stay interested in watching. Now the next thing is boring or repetitive visuals. When you're making videos, it's important to keep things visually exciting. If your video looks the same all the way through, people might lose interest. To make your video more engaging, try using different kinds of shots. Use close-ups, wide shots, and maybe even some cool effects or graphics. Changing things up like this will keep your viewers interested and excited to see what happens next. Also, make sure to keep the action moving smoothly so it doesn't get dull. By adding variety and keeping things lively, you can make your video more enjoyable for everyone watching. Now the next thing is too much effects or lengthy edits. Sometimes, when making videos or presentations, people use lots of fancy effects, transitions, or make edits that go on for a long time. But doing this too much can take attention away from what's really important in the video, the main message or what you're trying to say. The fix for this is to use these cool effects and transitions carefully and only when they really help the main idea of the video. Don't use them just to show off. Also, keep the edits short and to the point. They should help get your message across without making things too complicated or hard to follow. So, focus on making your content clear and easy to understand without going overboard with flashy stuff. Now the next thing is ignoring color correction and visual enhancement. When making videos or taking pictures, not paying attention to things like fixing colors, making sure the lighting is good, or making visuals look better can make them seem not so great. They might look like they were made by someone who's just starting out or not very professional. To make things look better, there are a few things you can do. Use tools that help you fix colors so they look the same throughout your video. Also, think about how the lighting is when you're filming. Good lighting can make a big difference. Lastly, when you're editing, make the visuals look better by adjusting things like how bright or dark they are, the contrast, which is the difference between light and dark, and how sharp they look. Doing these things can make your videos or pictures look much better and more appealing to people watching them. So guys, my video covered 5 main points for video editing tips. With that help, you can make your video more attractive and more eye-catching. So I am highlighting these 5 points, that is, improve sound quality, create a good story or structure, excited or new visuals, trying making videos, look good, using least amount of effects or video editing not too long. If you like my video, and it's helped you to make your video better, then like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.